Hello friends, welcome back again. So after this pandemic situation, I'm sure you all are doing good and would be working for changing your lifestyle. One of the essential parts in changing the lifestyle is changing the way you have been commuting for your work or for your other purposes. And I believe there cannot be a better place or better option than going for electric vehicles in such a crucial time. Yeah. So we have launched a new vehicle in our portfolio. It's called BattRE Gypsy. I will try to explain you what is our new vehicle all about, and you have seen this vehicle earlier. With new features, we have launched the new model. It's called Gypsy. Gypsy is because it is with GPS. Okay. Now, to talk about some of the very good features in this is, first thing, this has got keyless entry. So you don't need to put your key into the ignition always. In case if you want, you can just press it 2 times and your vehicle will be ready to go, as you see here. Now, this vehicle, you can keep this key in your pocket or anywhere, and then you can go as you want. This vehicle, without any noise, without any sound, it is ready. You can go. Another important and good feature which we all have been missing in other vehicles so far, be it petrol vehicles or other electric vehicles, is that when you go to, let's say, a mall or a metro station or railway station or bus stand where you have a lot of scooters or two-wheelers parked in a line. While parking, you may be parking it easily because yours is the last vehicle you are parking, and after that a lot of other vehicles will come and get parked there. But when you take it out, both the vehicles are side by side standing. You may find it difficult to take it back by doing all these kind of things. But now we have given a reverse gear here. As you see, we have a reverse gear here, and this reverse gear is very easy to operate. You just have to press it with your thumb and then turn the accelerator. As you turn the accelerator, vehicle will go back. It's easy for you to, and the moment you release it, it is ready to go forward. So this is one good feature that we like to show it to you. This display tells you everything about your speed, odometer, kilometer, battery range, and this vehicle has 3 modes, 1, 2 and 3. So the modes also will be shown here, which mode you are running now. So if you are on 1, it will show you 1. As you change the mode, it will also display here that you are in mode 2. Now what are these modes basically? The mode 1 is when you are using this vehicle all alone, one person, and you want to get the maximum mileage of it. This vehicle, as I mentioned, has a battery which can give you 65 kilometers range in single charge, and this single charge will be achieved if you are driving it in mode 1. If you want to go fast, naturally you have to compromise on the mileage. And the opening of, or if you want to see the battery, you just have to twist this key anti-clockwise, and your battery compartment, which is under the seat, is open here. You have lithium ferrophosphate battery, which is the latest chemistry in battery technology. This is a portable battery. This also comes with the display here. So if you press a button, you can see the display. It will show you what is the battery, what is the current, and what is the percentage remaining. This is 100% now. Okay, and this is the current which is being used because we have switched on the ignition. And this is a main connection. In case if you want to charge it, you have to first switch it off. Once you switch it off, the battery connection has been removed. You have to physically remove this. Once you remove this, you can take out the battery. Very easy to take it out, and once you take it out, you can put it under your desk if you are working in your office, or at home if you are staying in an apartment. You can take it to your any floor. You don't necessarily have a plug point or a connection for charging your scooter. Once it is fully charged, it's as simple as that. You have to just keep it back into the compartment. This back again in the battery section. You just plug this back in and switch this on when you want to ride it. It will give you a 1 beep once the current is. That is how it is. Now, suppose in case if you have a luxury of having a charging point, then we have given a charging plug here. You don't need to remove the battery. You just pull it up and your charger will come here. Model or any other scooter in battery. This is like a charger for all your scooter, it's same. Now, let me also tell you one more thing. Battery of this vehicle and the charger are having 3 years of warranty. This battery can last you anywhere from 6 to 7 years if you are maintaining it well, charging it well. The BMS designed in this battery management system is such that it gives you the optimum life of the battery. Now, the charging is as simple as we show here. This is the one end of the charger which will go inside the vehicle. That's here. And this is another point which will go into your wall mount plug. It's just simple 5 amperes. You don't need a special charging station or anything. This is your domestic plug point which will be good enough for it. Charging this vehicle is going to take you maximum 2 hours. From 0 to 100% charging will take 2 hours, and electricity consumption will be around 3 units per charge. So you can assume your running cost of this vehicle is going to be in few paise, less than 20 or 30 pesos. Right? Now this is one part, and let me also show you other features of this. The good part is we have horns, switches, both the sides. You know the reason? It's very thoughtful of design of this company, BattRE, which is based in Rajasthan, Jaipur. Okay. This vehicle will be mainly used by ladies of the house or small kids. I mean 16 plus, but you know, small in the build. So what happens is, when do we apply brakes? We apply brakes when we have to stop the vehicle. While stopping the vehicle, there are two things that we want to do simultaneously. One is braking the speed and also making noise by pressing the horn. Now what happens is, if the ladies are driving, and especially young kids, they will have a small hand or palm. While trying to brake the speed with this hand, it becomes sometimes difficult for them to reach out to the horn switch here because of their small hand. So what we have done is, you can focus with your left hand in braking the speed, and we have another button here which will be used for honking. So you don't have to struggle with one hand, okay? And both the brakes. Now coming to the braking system, both the wheels you will have here. If you see, both the wheels are having disc brakes. Okay, this one and the other one. This also has, the rear wheel will have a disc brake. Now, talking about the aesthetics, you see, you have a DRL, beautifully looking. You can keep it on throughout the day whenever you are driving. It's very stylish, very friendly, very happy. Then when you go to the headlights, very powerful LED headlights with high and low beam, and you see the indicators, mesmerizing here as well as in tail. If you see, and when you see the parking light, it's also very, very powerful, quite visible. I hope that you would like to try this vehicle. It's available in Hyderabad, your own city. In Chedapalli, we have a showroom. This vehicle does not require any registration, no insurance, although license is also not required. But we recommend that people with age of license, or probably who can get the license, should be allowed to drive the vehicles for their own safety. And don't forget to put on helmet whenever you are driving. Okay, I hope you like this, and if you have any questions, please drop your questions here, and you can like and subscribe to our channel.